How to verify incorrect coupon code in Peritia. Alright, this is my phone screen, and if you check down, you see Google Chrome. I'll click on it. Then on the Google Chrome, you type peritia.app. I always prefer to use Google Chrome. Allow it to load. Because of the traffic, this app used to have adverts. So click on those 3 lines at the top right. When you see pop-ups like this, you can block or allow. Click on the 3 lines, it will load. It's surely going to load an advert. Just close it and go back to your Google Chrome dashboard and click again. It has opened. You see operating procedure, verify coupon, bazaar, buy coupon, top earners. Just click on verify coupon. All these things, when they pop up, go back to the Google Chrome again. All those windows that are open, just click on the one you are using, the same peritia.app. If it's happening like this, just be going back. I would have cut the video, but I want you to know what to do when it pops up like this. So if you open your verify coupon code, then go back to where the code was in your WhatsApp or wherever, to click copy and paste. So paste it here and click submit. Allow it to load. Do you understand? So when it loads like this, it will let you know if the code has been used. You are seeing this one now, the code has been used, and the username of the coupon person is mary.best. Referrer okay favor, that is my name. Do you understand? Code status used. That follow you are seeing, I need to cover the phone number because TikTok or YouTube doesn't want to see phone number. They will take down the video immediately. So the good thing about this verify coupon code is that it helps you to know who exactly used the code and the link the owner of the link the person used in registering that account. Do you understand? So as an upliner, if you register a downline with the code you bought from a coupon vendor and they are not still seeing the 4,100 in your aggregate balance or your current balance, as in there is no top up with $4.1, and you check, the first thing you should check is the referrer. If your name is not there and it's another name that is there, know that you have been played. Know that the coupon vendor has used the codes before. Do you understand? But there are other cases why you will not still see your name there, or why the money will not be added to your aggregate balance. Let me show you another case. This is the most common case. Shall you see the referral space is empty? This is the most common case. It's a mistake that is always made by the people registering themselves, because upliners hardly make this mistake, especially people that are using Opera Mini. That's why in my other video I said if you want to register new, I prefer you use Google Chrome, because Opera Mini used to refresh itself, and when it refreshes, it might just go straight to the app instead of going through the link, the referral link. And when it goes straight like that, you will not see the referral name in the form. You will not see the referral name in the registration form. And if you register like that without the referral name showing in the registration form, the referral name will be blank here, number one, and the money will not be added to the upline's aggregate balance or current balance. You understand? So it's a mistake that is often made by people registering themselves. Though some upliners that are not very careful used to make this mistake. So as an upliner, when you are registering your downline, always make sure you look at for your name. Make sure you see your name on the registration page immediately after coupon code section. If your name is not there, please restart the registration. And if you are doing registration, please always use Google Chrome. You can use Opera Mini or other things in Peritia, but for registration, please use Google Chrome because it doesn't refresh. It stays where it is. So this is another case, and let me show you another one. This other one, there's probably a case of maybe already used username or mistake in the coupon code. So in cases like this, you see incorrect coupon code, or a username already exists, Gmail already exists. So you see the people start complaining, the coupon code is not correct. Meanwhile, your username already exists, your email address already exists, or you didn't put the coupon code well. But because they are new, they will not bother to check the up to see the reason why the registration is not being successful. But when you try to verify the coupon code, you see none. The code is very active, it has not been used by anybody. That's why I see none everywhere. Username none, coupon user none, referral none, phone number none, code status active. So if you want more videos like this that will tell you what's up, just let me know in the comment section. I always tell you I'm not very active. I will read, but I'm not so active in the comment section. So always drop a DM for me. Bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, follow me for more, and share to 2, 3, 4, 5 friends. See you.